Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect X, Twitter, account security with 2FA setup, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by launching your web browser or the Twitter app on your device. Log into your Twitter account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings and Privacy section. This can be found by tapping your profile icon in the top left corner on mobile or clicking on More in the sidebar on desktop. In the Settings menu, select Security and Account Access. Next, click on Security. You will see the option for two-factor authentication. Click on this option to begin the setup process. Twitter will present you with three methods for 2FA: text messages, authentication app, and security key. Choose your preferred method by clicking on the checkbox next to it. If you select text messages, enter your phone number and click Next. You will receive a verification code via SMS. Enter the code in the provided field to verify your phone number. If you choose the authentication app option, select an app like Google Authenticator or Authy. Open your authentication app and scan the QR code displayed on the Twitter setup page. The app will generate a verification code. Enter this code in the Twitter setup field to complete the verification. If opting for a security key, connect your key to your device when prompted. Follow the instructions to verify the key with a simple tap. Once verified, you will see a confirmation that 2FA is now enabled. It's crucial to save your backup codes in a safe place. These codes can help you regain access if you lose your 2FA method. To finish, review your security settings to ensure everything is set up correctly. Congratulations! You have successfully connected your Twitter account security with 2FA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.